Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Hi, I am Claire, your AI news reporter. This video is about how to turn this still image into an animated video. Want to turn your still images into animated scenes? For free? Using AI? Then stay with me. Step 1. I asked ChatGPT to write a perfect image-to-video animation prompt. A prompt is a detailed set of instructions, in this case, explaining exactly what I want in the animated version. Step 2. I uploaded my image to AIFreeVideo.com to turn the image into a video, with no watermark, and, as mentioned, it is free. All I have to do is drag and drop, or upload my image, paste my prompt, then hit generate, and let it animate my image. Regarding sound, I added kids playing sound effects from Pixabay and magical background music to bring the scene to life. What I am sharing is part of an animated story about Perry. Perry happens to be an unusual purple minion.
The minion Purple was born a purple minion, but not the wild kind like the ones you see in the movies. He's sweet, thoughtful, and quiet.
I will be sharing a full tutorial with everything, step by step, starting from scratch, including image tools, animation, sound, music, and editing. You will not only see the whole process, you will also see how all this is free. It is coming soon. So be sure to check back, or follow or subscribe, so you don't miss it.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.